Hello and welcome back to our channel. Our today's video topic is types of permanent hair straightening. There are several types of treatments that claim to make your hair straighter. Each relies on a different chemical formula and processing method. Some of these treatments are sold in kits that you can do yourself at home, while others require salon-grade equipment to be done effectively. Following are 4 types of permanent hair straightening treatments. Number 1 type is keratin treatment. Number 2 is Japanese straightening. Number 3, chemically straightened hair. And number 4 is hair rebonding. In our upcoming video, we will discuss all these types of hair straightening treatment in detail. So stay tuned. If you have any question related to beauty, hair care or skincare, drop in a comment section below. We will answer your every question definitely, in the form of video.